Hello students, my name is Rohan Kadam and I'm here to discuss with you the poem Upon the Westminster Bridge. It is 2.4 in your textbook. Let us see the appreciation. The first point is about the poem, the poet and the title. In this we write what is the poem about, who has written the poem, and what does the title suggest. Let us see. Upon Westminster Bridge is all about beauty of the city as seen at dawn from Westminster Bridge by the poet. It is written by William Wordsworth, who is a leading nature poet. The title suggests relation of the poem with the particular place, which is Westminster Bridge. We have reached the second point, which is the theme. The praise of the nature and description of nature are the major themes of this poem. Here the poet finds beauty in both nature and man-made structures. We have reached the third point of appreciation, which is the language, the poetic devices used in the poem. Here we write about the language, the figures of speech used, the imagery, the rhyme scheme of the poem. Let us see. The poem is a Petrarchan sonnet, which means a 14-line poem. It is divided into two stanzas. First is of 8 lines called octave, and second consists of 6 lines called sestet. The language is simple to understand. The poet has used rhyme scheme AB, BA, AB, BA and CD, CD, CD. There is an excellent use of figures of speech like simile, personification, hyperbole. Here we have an example. The London city is compared to mighty heart in the poem. The imagery is effectively used, like in the line, "This city now doth like a garment wear the beauty of the morning." The first stanza is about observation, and the second stanza tells us about the feelings of the poet. We have reached the special features, in which we write how is the poem special as compared to other poems, or how is the poem different. The poet finds the nature, objects or structures exceptional, all that he sees from the bridge. The poem tells us about the positiveness and the keen observation of the poet. There is beautiful use of poetic devices and imagery that makes the poem wonderful. We have come to message, values or morals in the poem. Here we write if there is any message from the poet, or he or she highlights values or morals in the poem. Let us see what is there in the poem. Everybody should be positive enough to see and enjoy the beauty of things around us. The beauty of nature and man-made structure of the city is described at dawn, before industries or business starts. It shows the negative effect of industrialization. We have reached the last point of appreciation, which is your opinion about the poem. Here we write why you like the poem, if you like it, and if you do not like the poem, the reason for it. I'll read it for you. I like the poem because the poet makes us believe that even city is capable of making person calm, similar to rural area. The poet has painted the picture of the place, giving credit to nature and man for the structures. I hope all the points are clear. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please let us know. You can also write in comment box if any changes are required by which we can make the videos more better. I would also tell the students to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all the future videos. So bye students.